Good morning, students. Last class we discussed the same topic, sentence patterns. The beginning of the sentence. In the beginning of the sentence pattern classes, subject plus verb plus object we learnt. Here, I am going to return the remaining three parts on the board. What are they? Object, complement, and agent. Here, the object is divided into two types already we discussed. One is direct object, another one is indirect object. Here, the fourth one is complement, and the last one is agent. Here, I am going to teach you now object is divided into two types, direct object and indirect object. Direct object and indirect object. See, how can we identify direct and indirect? Sir, which answer the questions what? What means direct object? Which answer the questions to whom? Indirect object, sir. How, sir? How can we identify it, sir? For example, he gave me a pen. See, he gave me a pen. See the sentence. He gave me a pen. He subject. Give persons gave is the verb. What did he give? What did he give? Which answer the question is what? That you can easily identify what. And also main verbs followed object. And also the subject doing something. Then here, he gave me a pen. He gave me a pen. How can we identify it? Here, the pronoun he is a subject. Give persons gave is the verb. Me and a pen is given here. Here we can easily identify it IO and DO. Here what? DO for what? Which answers the question. What did he give? Here the same thing. See the students. What did he give? What did he give? He gave a pen. That's all. Here also it is called DO. And also indirect object, it refers to the indicated the capital letters IO. Here also to whom he did give. To whom he did give? Me only, it is called IO. So how can I identify it and how can I return the answer here? He gave me a pen. See which answer the questions and also which answer the questions to whom? To whom? Here also that IO means what is IO? It's indirect object, that me, us, you, them, it, him, her. These seven object form. Subject I becomes me, we becomes us, you becomes you, they becomes them, it becomes it, he becomes him, she becomes her. The object forms which answer the questions to whom and what. So we can easily identify the sentence subject plus verb plus IO and DO. And the remaining thing what, sir? For example, they distributed as sweets. See the sentence. They distributed as sweets. How can we identify it, sir? For example, they is a subject, distributed is a verb. Here, to whom and what? To whom? As. To whom? As is the IO. And sweets also DO. What did they distribute? Sweets. So sometimes that indirect object goes next, direct object comes first. How, sir? Same sentence. See, they distributed sweets to us. They distributed sweets to us. So here small inversion. The direct object comes first, the indirect object goes next. That's all. Here also what and to whom. So the same thing. Subject plus verb plus DO and IO. What is DO, IO? DO refers to direct object, IO refers to indirect object. This is the difference between that's directly IO and DO. Yes, I have given on the board. Here also clearly I explained how can we identify that object. How can we identify the object? Sometimes the sentence has without object, but we can't able to change. We can't able to transform into active into passive. So which sentence has object? That alone we have readily change into direct into indirect speech. See, Sheila and Mala. Sheila and Mala will play the piano. Sheila and Mala will play the piano. Here, how many subjects are there? Here, 2 names are on the board. How many names? Sheila and Mala. So here, this is both also subject. No need to separately that Mala and Sheila, no need to. So you have to take both also subject. Sheila and Mala also subject. That's all. And also will. Here will is the main verb in the sentence, and also the play. So there are 2 verbs are there. Will and play. Will and play. Here will play is the verb. So then arise the questions. What will they play? What will they play? Piano. The piano. It is here object. Here I have given object. So this is the difference between IO and object. So the sentence first has object. It has transformed into active voice into passive voice. So here that object is indicated by the capital letters O, and also direct object is indicated by the capital letters DO. Indirect object is indicated by the capital letters IO. So now we learned 3. What are they, sir? So subject we learned, verb also we learned, and the third one is object. Now we completed. And the fourth one, what is the fourth one? Complement. It is indicated by the capital letter C. It is very easiest one. What's up? The complement is nothing but basically in a sentence, I mean the complement has complete the meaning. I mean the sentence complete with is going to complete the sentence of the meaning. So if the complement is removed, the sentence will not give the complete meaning. For example, Roja is a doctor. Here the group of words which makes complete sentence, you know that we have the complements, the complete meaning is has given here. Roja is a naming word, subject is the verb, the be verbs, the main verbs is the given here, and here what and who is Roja. Here also I have asked that complement. The complement always comes as a noun or adjective. The word ends with complement, word ends with noun or adjective word has given here. The same sentence, Roja is good. Here also the good is the complement. Why, sir? Because it is an adjective word. The adjective word always takes as a complement. Here also doctor also naming word I have given is a complement and always is a be form verb. So here the same thing, the complement words is indicated with the capital letter C. Here the same thing, the complement words good and doctor I removed here. If the complement is removed, the sentence does not give the complete meaning. See the board. Roja is, what is Roja? Who is Roja? Roja is something else, you know that. The same thing, the complement is a very important thing. The complement is a very important thing. So Roja is a doctor, and she is good. The good is the complement. The adjective word takes complement. Here the naming word takes a complement. And also one more thing. What's that? It always comes be form verb. Be verbs. It's followed by be form verbs. What's that? Always comes be form verbs. What is the be verbs? Already we discussed. You know, am, is, are, and was, and were. Am, is, or, was, were. So this is the basic thing. Be form verb. It always follows. See, is, or was is there, or am is there, or that. Only one verbs and given verb. That's all. Given in the question. One more additional verb. There is no main verb. Single verbs. The be verbs only followed complement. And also sometimes become and becomes, become or becomes or became will come. The word become word takes a complement. Why, sir? Because sudden main verb takes sudden complement. For example, he became a doctor. Here no be from verbs, but the main verb I have given. Am I right or not? Here the be verbs followed complement, easily identified. But here the main verb, I mean sudden main verb takes sudden complement. Here he subject, became or become or becomes verb, doctor is a complement. See, remember students, these are the keywords. Please note down in your classwork areas. What are the keywords? How can we identify the complement? Here ends with the nouns are, ends with the adjective words are, and one more way also we can easily identify what the be form verbs followed like that, and sudden main verb takes sudden complement. I have written on the board. This is the way of identifying complement areas. Say examples I have. I will give you more. I will give you here. What is I have written on the board? Please read the sentence. They were leaders. Here, who are they? Leaders. Subject. It is a verb. It is a complement. How can I know? Only one be form verbs. It's followed noun forms and complement. I have written also here. Roja is a beautiful girl. Roja is a beautiful girl. See, only one be verb is I have given. Not is playing, is learning, is coming like that. Only one be verb I have written on board. Roja is a subject. This is the verb. Here, beautiful is the adjective word and girl is a noun form. So this fully the three word it is called complement. Sometimes noun ends with noun alone come, or ends with adjective also will come. But sometimes take adjective and noun form will come. So we can easily identify it and circulate the given word is complement. For example, one more thing, he is famous. See, the simple I have given, he is famous, or he was famous, or I am famous. The single be form of alone I have given on the board. Subject plus verb plus complement. Subject plus verb plus complement. See, how can we easily identify it? The complement sentence areas I have written on the board also, and examples also given here. So note down students. So these are the things. It will from app test and evening test and weekly test and also examination they will ask. So we can easily get from these areas without fail 2 marks. Let us see. Last only one is given here. Agent. It has another name. What's agent or adverbial or adverb? We may say or we can say adverb or adverbial or agent, but it is indicated by the capital letter A. Okay, what is agent? Is nothing but the word ends with ly. What is the first thing? Note down, please note down. The word ends with ly. Slowly, generally, quickly, fast. The word doesn't take ly. Fast only, not a fastly. Fastly means the wrong. Only the word fast, that's all. For example, he runs fast, not a fastly, don't say fastly, only the word fast, along the word. Then generally, quickly, like that ly ends word, we can easily identify it, agent. And others are, what are the other things? Praises. What are praises like that? For example, on seeing the snake, on seeing the snake, I killed it. On seeing the snake, I killed it. Here, on seeing it is called praise. So it is called agent. I is a subject. Killed is the main verb. Main verb followed by object. So what is the given pattern? A, S, V, O. ASVO. That is called praises. I mean, see, the preposition words comes before the words. In, on, at, over, above, under, beside, besides, beneath, down, like that, etc., etc. So we can easily identify the preposition with the word. That is called praise. Preposition words. It is called agent. And one more thing, sir. Time, date, place. With the preposition place. Time, date, place, month, year. So etc., etc. We can easily identify it. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Date also. Place also. In Chennai, in Coimbatore, in Madurai, in Dindigul, like that. Month also. January, February, March. And year also. In 2000, in 1997, in 1947, 1985, like that. We can easily identify it. The given question is, I mean, agent. And also sometimes the time we have referred. Ever, never, now, rarely, hardly, seldom, scarcely, like that we have easily identified the agent. And one more way we have. What's that? Which answer the questions? Which answer the four ways? What are the four ways, sir? The first one is when, where, how, when, where, how, and why. Sentence which answers the four ways, it is called agent. Let us see one by one. When, where, how, and why. For example, he ran slowly. He ran slowly. How did he run? How did he run? He slowly. The word ends with what? The word ends with ly, and also we can raise the questions how. Okay. Then for example, we came from Coimbatore. He came from Coimbatore. Where did he come? Which answers the questions where, and also place. From the preposition word, preposition with the place. Preposition with the place, we have right agent. And also we can make the right questions. Where did he come? Where did he come? Where did he come? He came from Coimbatore. So how and where? Then why? The same sentence. He came from Kovai yesterday. See the sentence? From Kovai. Where did he come and when did he come? Here which answers the questions when. When is the adverb. Here also place is mentioned and also adverbial or adjunct. He subject, came is the verb. Subject plus verb plus object. I mean adjunct or adjunct. So totally the pattern is given. Yes, we, yes, we, how, where, when. Then why? Can we ask the question why? Here he came to attend the party. See the sentence. He came to attend the party. Here he subject, came is the verb, and to attend the party. Why did he come? Here is the question, you know why? Why the word refers to agent. See the four ways I raise the questions: when, where, how, and why. Here how first questions: how did he run slowly? Ly word ends with. Then where is the place? Preposition with the place. Where did he come? From Coimbatore. Then here also when did he come? Both also two adverbial. Yes, we. And the last one is why did he come? Attend the party. It is also agent or adverb. This is the way of identifying adverbial. This is called sentence pattern. Here agent, one more example we will find it. But sometimes adverb has three or more adverbs, you know, ever, never, now. This word comes beginning, middle or end. See here in 2020, in 2021, okay, 2021 Ram is now a doctor in Coimbatore. In 2021, Ram is now a doctor in Coimbatore. How can we identify the sentence pattern? Suppose in examination, how can they will give, sir? Option A, yes, B, A, C, something has given, and option B, S, V, I, O, D, O, A, and one more thing, option B, A, S, V, C, A, C, A is given there, and D, and for example, A, S, V, O, C, A, something they given. How can we identify? How can we choose given? That's in. The year mentioned, already we discussed it. Year mentioned, surely it is called agent. And Ram is the naming word. It is called subject. And also, only one B form verb is given here. The main verb is, verb. And now this refers to timing. Now, ever, never, the word takes agent, because it is refers to time. Now, agent. And the doctor is a propositional. Who is Ram? Doctor. What is Ram? Doctor. And also B verbs. Only single B verbs alone here, That's why complement. And the end word, what? The place, with the preposition place. That's why I have here agent. See, the given, we can identify it. A, S, V, A, C, A. See that one. Where I have the answer is A, S, V, A, C, A. So here the given question is option C is the correct answer. You have to mark it. So we can get easily 1 mark from this area. 1 mark from this area. Okay, and one more thing. So sometimes questions may suddenly, yes, blindly we have to write agenda. This type of questions they will ask. Okay. He will come here tomorrow. Here he is the subject, will come both also the verb. Here the place is mentioned, where did here is the place, that's why agent, and tomorrow is the time mentioned, that's also verb. So given pattern is SB AA. Birds fly slowly. Subject plus verb plus, what is this? Slowly, LY ends what? SVA. We run fast. Subject plus verb plus agent, because the fast is adjective. Agent. How did we run fast? The question says how. That's why I have written on the board. See, this is the type of questions may in your question paper. So easily we have identify it and answer it easily. And sometimes some questions takes SVOC. See, already we discussed SVIODO pattern, but here SVOC. Object plus complement. Object plus. How come, sir? 1 or 2 sentences takes. For example, we named him Raja. See, subject, named is the verb, him is the object, but the same thing here, that the complement, the named word, sudden word takes sudden main verb take sudden complement. SVOC pattern. And also he painted the car blue. Color also is a complement. Here also he painted. He is a subject, painted is the verb, and car. What is the car? Object, and the color also complement. Sudden object said sudden complement, like that color also. So SVOC pattern. So these type of sentence they will ask. For example, we selected Raja as leader. The same thing. Subject plus verb plus Raja is object, selected is a complement. Complement. This is the way SVO. SVIO developments to whom, to what? SVIO and DO. We can easily identify here. SVOC, object plus complement. Object plus complement. The sentence is given on the board. So dear students, so there are nearly 5 parts we discussed, nearly 2 classes: subject, verb, object, complement and agent. How we can identify, how we can write, what are the steps to be followed and identify the given sentence is subject plus verb and object or agent. So easy way I have given here. See, in examination they will ask you many questions. So you have to ready to write. See, 2 examples let's we see here. My dad presented me a pen. So what is the sentence pattern? Is given sentence as my dad is the subject, presented is the verb, here me, to whom and what. Pen, you know the things, and to whom you know that. IO and DO. Remember children, we can easily identify which answer the questions what and whom, like that we have. Sometimes the sentence has adverbial beginning, middle or end. You have to identify it. And easily you find the answer. See, for example, we painted the wall green. We subject, painted is the verb, and wall is the object, green color is the complement. Sudden object has sudden complement. So this is the way of easily identifying. So these type of questions examination they will ask, so you can easily clear it. Okay. So now the sentence pattern topic is completed. We will discuss one more new topic next class. Thank you very much. I will meet you again.